Okay, we're having this issue with we have this fault with our Solis installation. Fault code 1033 PVISO Pro 02. Now what we did was first we turned off the system, all of it, and then based on our research online is that need to isolate all the PVs. Okay, turning off the PV strings one by one to detect. After that one, then turn on the PV switch, the DC switch, and then turning on the inverter. After which, to detect which string is affected by this 1033 fault, we one by one turned on each string. And then when we went to this fifth string here, this is the one that triggered the error 1033. So what we did was we isolated again, turned off again the system, then we tested this PV string with a multimeter. Okay, we put the positive probe here and then the negative probe onto the grounding, to the earthing. Also tested the negative side of the string using the connectivity of the multimeter. We noticed that this string that is affected is beeping, which has it is connected to the ground, to the earthing, while the other 5 strings are not beeping. So that's how we found out that this particular string has a problem. So what we did was we went up there on the roof, and then we check one by one to isolate which string on top it belongs to this particular circuit breaker. So what we did was we one by one detach the MC4. Then here on the ground we tested this particular breaker, if there's still power coming in. If there's still power coming in, meaning the string that was detached does not belong to this breaker. Now after we have isolated and detected which string on top of the roof has the problem, we disconnected it and then we checked the wire if it has some damage or not. So hopefully after we fix that one on the roof, the one that we found out that there's a damage on the wire itself, the positive wire, and then we fix it, hopefully that this fault code, this alarm code 01033 will be gone. I will update later if the fault code has been solved.